Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to discuss about types of software license. Okay. You all have observed that while downloading a software and installing a software, you have to click on a box I agree. Okay, and then the installation begins. So what you are going to click on I agree, you are going to click on I agree on the license, that is your software license, and all the terms and conditions are written in that software license. So today our topic is different types of software license. So let us begin with your different types of software license. Before that, we are going to learn what is copyright. So, copyright. Okay, copyright. What is copyright? Copyright, whenever you are going to create your original work, that work is copyrighted. Means you have created that work, you are the originator of that work, and you are having right that this work should be yours. So that is your copyrighted. Okay, symbol for copyright is your C and that symbol. We have talked about Creative Commons. The symbols used in your Creative Commons was your CC. That is your copyrighted material, but you can use that, okay, in your original way. You can use that. That is your copyrighted free material. So that is your CC, Creative Commons. And now what is copyrighted material? If anything जिसके ऊपर एक सिंबल लगा हुआ C और एक सर्कल का, that is your copyrighted material. So as soon as you are going to create a work, copyright arises. Okay. A software copyright protects all source code. Source code means your programs. You have made some software, you have made some program for anything, so that is your copyrighted source code. Then your written text material. If you have written some notes about any other topic, that is also copyrighted material. Or your graphics, or your images, or your original designs, or your drawings, or any linked sound, any music, any video file, or a film that is created by you is your copyrighted material. Okay, so if the material is copyrighted, then you are having 5 exclusive rights with that material. And what are that 5 exclusive rights? First is your fix or store the information in tangible form. You can fix or you can store the information in tangible form. You can reproduce the copyrighted material, sell, rent, lease, or distribute the copies of your copyrighted material, publicly perform and display the copyrighted material. Then your prepare derivative works based on copyrighted material. Means you can derive something else from your copyrighted material. So these are the 5 rights which comes with your copyright. Okay. Moving on to the next. Now what is license? Okay. License. License is a permission granted by owner or your holder of copyright to another. Why they are giving you this permission to use their original work? They are going to take some charge from you. They are going to take some money from you for that license. Or maybe they are going to give you this license free of cost, and if they are going to give you free of cost, that software comes under your open source software. Okay. So license, what is license? License is a permission granted by holder or your owner of copyright to another to use the original work. Now it states under what circumstances and to what extent the original work can be used. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो लाइसेंस मटेरियल आपने ले लिया, you can use it by your own name. Okay. It may include a period of time. हो सकता है वो लाइसेंस आपको कुछ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए मिला हो, ठीक है, लाइक योर एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, हो सकता है दैट सॉफ्टवेयर इज यूज्ड इन सम जियोग्राफिकल एरिया, साइट रिलेटेड हो सकता है उसके कुछ रिन्यूअल प्रोविजंस हो, मीन्स यू हैव टू रिन्यू आफ्टर सम टाइम्स, और एनी अदर limitations or restrictions can come with the license and it is written in your legal language. So moving on to the next. Now what is software licensing? Means your software licensing के different types. So there are 9 different types of software licensing. First is your software licensing. What is this? Yes, you have to pay money for the license, generally paid license. Now software license is a legal agreement about an application. It's a legal. It is between the software producer and the end user. End user means the person who is using that. Okay. So it specifies how application may be used and defines the rights of both producer and the user. Now different types of software license. So the first type of software license is your proprietary license, means your owner's license. Okay. The second type of license is your GNU, full form is your general public licenses. This is generally your open source softwares, means they are freely available to you. GNU, okay, general public license. So while downloading any software, if the software is with GNU, you can download it. Then your end user license agreement, इसको बोलते हैं EULA, okay, end user license agreement. Then the next is your workstation licenses. Workstation licenses, we will talk about that. It is limited to number of machines. Like if you are going to use it on one machine or two machines, it's okay. If you are going to use it on any other device, maybe it will your the first installation will be deactivated. So the next one is your concurrent use license. It's a workstation license. You can use it for limited on the limited machines, and concurrent use license you can use it on concurrent machines. We will talk about that in detail. Then your site license. Okay, this is particularly with your some geographical areas. Okay, one site is having the license, so all the computers in that site can use that software. Then perpetual license. Okay, this is your means one time paid software. You have to pay for one time and you can use it for unlimited period. Okay. Then your non-perpetual license means you have to renew that after expiry. It will be your for limited time period, like your antivirus licenses are your non-perpetual licenses. Okay. The ninth type of license is your license with maintenance. Means they are giving you software also and they have charged you for the maintenance and that will be maintained. Means any updations are there, they are going to update. If any maintenance is required, if any problem in the software, they are going to repair that. So these are the different 9 types of license which comes with your software. So now we will be talking about the one by one. First is your proprietary license, where the copyright stays with the producer and the user is granted the right to use the software. Okay, you can use it but you cannot modify that. Okay, the main license is given by your owner and you can use that software. Like you are going to purchase any software like Adobe software, so proprietary license. Then your GNU, that is general public licenses, which are agreements under which open source सॉफ्टवेयर इज यूजुअली लाइसेंस्ड। और ये ओपन सोर्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? फॉस, FOSS, ठीक है, फ्री ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर, फ्री ओपन सोर्स software, okay, FOSS. It allowed user to change the source code, okay, like Scratch. You all have used Scratch. Scratch is your open source software, and you are going to remix the things. You are going to create your own code with the original code, so that is comes under your GNU. But changed code to must also be made available under GNU. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि आपने कोड चेंज कर लिया and you are going to say now it is my copyrighted material and I am going to sell it. No, it's under your GNU, GPL license. Okay. Next is your end user license agreement, that is your EULA, which indicates the terms under which end user may use the software. Okay, now this generally comes with your mobile apps. Like you cannot modify that mobile app, you cannot give your name to that mobile app. Okay, so this generally comes with your mobile apps license. While installing any mobile app, you just see the license name, it will be your end user license agreement, that is your EULA. Okay, next is your workstation licenses, are the licenses that permits the installation of an application on single computer. This you have seen with like you have purchased any book and book is having some online question papers, so you can use that question papers only on one computer or on the second computer. You cannot use it on many systems. So before installing it on different machine, the software must be removed from the first machine. Means it is your one machine, one license. Okay, you cannot copy it, you cannot install it on any other computer also. Before installing, you have to remove it first from the first computer. Moving on to the next, congruent use license. Now workstation में क्या था? That is limited to one machine. Okay. Now congruent means your congruent permits the installation of software onto multiple machines. It's not compulsory कि you have to install it on one computer, okay, or one machine. As long as the number of computers using the software at the same time does not exceed the number of license purchased. Suppose you have purchased a license of 5 congruent license. They are having the permission to use it on 5 congruent machine. So you can use it on 5, but when you are going to use it on the 6th computer, the license will be your dismiss. Okay. Moving on to the next, site license. Now what is that site license? Site license permits the use of software on any computer at the specified site. Unlimited site licenses allows the installation of software on any number of computers as long as those computers are located at the specified site. Okay, this generally comes with your the softwares which are specially made for any one site. Okay, like one company is having one software, so all the computers must be installed that software. One organization has designed their own software, so that is your site license. Okay, moving on to the next, perpetual license. Okay, comes without an expiry date. Like I am going to record it on the Bandicam. The Bandicam is a software which will allow you to record 10 minutes free, and after that you have to purchase a software. Okay, so if you are going to purchase it, that will be your one time purchase. So one time purchase means you are going to use perpetual license. Okay, once you have to pay and you can use it for unlimited time. नेक्स्ट इसी का अपोजिट है आपका नॉन परपेचुअल लाइसेंस, antivirus softwares which are having the 1 year expiry. Then before expiring it will be going to notify you renew your software, okay. And sometimes you are going to download the software, it will be saying you have to pay this much money for 15 days. After 15 days then another money will be deducted from your credit card. So you have to remove the software from the computer if you want to cease paying the license fee. अगर आपको वो आगे की license fee pay नहीं करना है तो you have to remove the software from your computer. Otherwise the fee will be deducted if once you have given the credit card number. Then license with maintenance, last type of license offers maintenance or the software assurance along with the original license fee. This also comes with your specialized softwares or your customized softwares which are specially made for any organization. Okay, like your banks are using the software, so they are going to use the software, the license with maintenance. Like if any problem arises in the computer system, their software, they are going to maintain the system. So these are the 9 types of softwares which are comes under with your software license. So now before downloading any software, first see which type of license is there. If GNU is there, that is your open source, you are free to download that. If any other type of software, then first read the instructions and do that. Okay, goodbye for now. Stay safe, stay at home. Goodbye.